Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I'm doing this beautiful iris stitch. It's made with double crochets and chain stitch. And I'm working on a bigger pattern here. So this is what I have so far, and here I made a little swatch. I'm using cotton yarn, but you can use whatever yarn that you like. But this stitch do look better in like a thin yarn. And I'm using this is from Schachenmeier, Catania, and this one is worked with a Norwegian yarn, Sandesgarn Mandarin Naturel. So we're gonna start with a slip knot. So you can do a slip knot however you like. I like to do mine like so. I pinch there and grab the yarn here and pull up the loop. And this stitch pattern asks for a multiple of 4. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I think that's enough. And on the foundation chain, we're gonna do 3 more stitches. So 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do 1 double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yarn over, insert the hook there, and pull up a loop. And do a double crochet. Now do a double crochet in the same stitch. Now chain 1, and now we're gonna do 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. So 1 and 2. And now we're gonna skip the next 3 chains. So 1, 2, and 3. And here in the 4th chain, we're gonna do 1 double crochet or 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2, and chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the same place. So we're gonna repeat this all the way. So now we're gonna skip 3 chains and do one and repeat the same thing in the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert the hook there and do 2 double crochets. 1 and 2, and chain 1. And do 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Now we're going to repeat this until the end of the row. So skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, do your stitches. One and 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, and there's the 4th. 1 and 2, and chain 1 and 2 more. Now we have 2 more chains, so yarn over, skip the next one, and do a double crochet in the last chain. So and now we have a first row, so we're going to repeat this chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then here you have this gap in the chain 1 space, so do your stitches there, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then chain 1 and then 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2. Now repeat, so yarn over and find the next cluster here, and then 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. If you want to make something with this stitch pattern, you can do a scarf, for example, or a shawl, or a summer top also would be nice. One and 2. I'm pretty sure you know how this goes now. I'm gonna do one more row with you. Now here in the top of the chain 3, 2 double crochet. So this is how it looks like after the second row. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then repeat 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. Now we have the last one. So now on the top of the chain 3, do a double crochet. So this is how it looks. I hope that you liked this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm working on a summer top pattern with the other piece that I showed you, so I'm hoping I will have that ready in a month or so. So I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.